If you have wavy hair like mine, it can be hard to style. I'm about to get some top tips from hair care expert SJ to show me how to straighten and enhance my curls using the Shark FlexFusion. Hiya.
Hi SJ.
Lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you too. Take a seat. Amazing hair texture. I love your natural waves. This curl pattern is stunning.
Amazing.
So tell me, what do you find difficult when you're styling your hair?
I just kind of don't really know what to do with it. Like, no one else I know has curly hair. I have to just kind of manage it within myself. Like, yeah.
Okay, so tell me, when you style your hair or when you want to style your hair, do you prefer to smooth the waves out so it goes more straight, or do you like to enhance it so it's more curly?
I mean, it depends on like what I'm doing. Like, if I'm going out, I might want to do something different, you know, it just depends.
Whatever mode you're in.
Yeah,
okay,
totally.
I get you. It's nice to have the versatility. So we're going to use this tool today, and it's going to show you both options, so you're in luck. So first we're going to go from wet to dry with the first tool attachment, and then what we'll do is show you some tips of how you can curl your hair. You'll be able to do this on your natural waves as well.
Okay, great.
But we're going to be doing it from straight today. How does that sound?
Sounds great, yeah.
Amazing. So let's get your hair shampooed. If you want to come, let's do that now. Amazing. Freshly washed hair.
Yeah, so nice.
Gorgeous. So you can see that we've towel dried your hair. And the reason that we've done this is because you don't want to start from 100% wet. If it's dripping, then it's going to be taking too long to style the hair, but also you'll need a lot more heat on the hair for a lot longer. So you risk the heat damage kind of element a little bit more. What we're going to do now is we're going to use a hairdryer to just take some more of the moisture out of the hair. So before we use the next attachment, we want the hair to be slightly damp, but not as damp as it is now. So I'm really going to focus, or you're really going to focus on the roots here.
Okay, great.
And take some of the moisture out of the roots by just kind of blasting down with the hairdryer. For this hair drying setting, we're going to pop it in the top mode here, which is for wet hair. So now you've got rid of most of the moisture, but it's still a little bit damp. We're going to add the next attachment, which is the straightener attachment.
And it just clips on.
So when you go to style your hair with this, we'll take a section, and what you'll need to do is start with the pink parts of the tool nearer to the roots, and then work down the hair in a slow, steady movement. And what this will do is dry and straighten your hair at the same time.
Okay, great.
Think you're ready for it?
Yes, yeah,
cool.
Totally.
So if you just take the sections slightly smaller and just kind of smooth through with your hands before you do it. And then what you want to do is a nice steady pace. So rather than going too quick, you're going to take the tool down kind of at this pace.
Okay.
Yeah, it will feel too slow.
Yeah.
But if it feels too slow, you're probably doing it at the right speed.
Okay, perfect. Okay? So different from like a normal straightener.
Yeah, it's hard because it's actually drying the hair as well. So it's the combination.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Amazing, it's so smooth and shiny.
Yeah, it looks so nice, yeah. I love the way it looks.
So we're going to change on to the next tool, but just to bear in mind, this is a designated wet to straight tool.
Okay,
it's not just an ordinary straightener. You couldn't just use a straightener to go on wet hair. Yeah? So now what I'd like to do is change this attachment, and we're going to go on to the curling attachment, and I'll show you how you can wave your hair.
Okay.
So you're going to use the same heat settings, which is high heat and high airflow. And then you're going to use the left tool on the left side of your hair and just take a piece of hair and let it wrap, feed the hair around. You'll feel the tension. So just some tips on how to get the best curl.
Okay, great.
Is if you let it wrap around the tool and you kind of secure it with your hands a little bit, if it's safe to do so with the temperature. And then you're going to leave it for 10 seconds on the heat.
Yeah.
This cool shot button is going to put cool into the tool and into your hair so that the curl stays in shape all day and it's going to last a lot longer.
Okay, so I just hold it on and it will just take it in.
Absolutely. So keeping it on the same section, 10 seconds in the heat, cool shot for a couple of seconds. So popping it into your hair for 10 seconds, applying the cool shot for a couple of seconds, and then taking it out.
Okay, amazing.
Faith, you've done the left side and it looks amazing. It's time to try the right side. You've already changed the attachment.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Okay, great.
Faith, you've done a great job.
Oh, thank you.
Using that cold shot is going to mean your waves last even longer.
Yeah, totally.
How do you feel?
I feel really good. I really love the way it looks. Like, it's just so bouncy.
It suits you, and it suits your hair type and your hair shape. It's amazing.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.